Hey guys.
Door is locked. I hate it here.
I would like it.
So you get the idea. These people don't.
I found out about I found out about this guy. This is someone that apparently is my fan. Made a custom. I guess it's Winky or something like that. I'm not sure. I will post a intonation for it. Intonation above the video with a link there. So yeah, please visit it. I swear it's not finished, but the person also made a maybe for this guy Core Jackson 14. I will put it there.